Okay, we're here with Jescar USA, Eric Silver here representing the brand. Jescar is something that we've been carrying for a little while now. We got the opportunity to work with some of their newer products months before they actually came to market. And we're the type of people who test before we use anything and before we offer them to consumers. But with yours, like with the correcting compound, we immediately fell in love with it and then decided it was something that we want to carry on. Now, that kind of development, where does the knowledge and the experience come from to develop the level of products that you guys have been doing? Tell us a little bit about Jescar.
Well, for Jescar, for the longest time, we've been the distributor of Menzerna products from Germany.
Yep.
So we've had a lot of experience working with different products, all sorts of different styles and everything. So we took that knowledge and we put it into development of the Jescar brand, which is our own brand, exclusive brand.
Yep.
And we're just moving it forward from there. We're doing better products. Everything's going to cut faster. It's going to work better.
Yep.
It's going to clean up much more nicely. And we just use that experience to develop the brand of what we have today.
Right. Well, I mean, everything we've been working with is just the performance level of it is fantastic. For us here at ESOTERIC, when we're working on cars, whether they're local or cars shipped in from around the country, or working with OEM manufacturers, we're looking for products that have the best cut, the best finish, the most consistent use across all paint types, and that's exactly what you guys have done. Now, you guys have come a long way in a short period of time in terms of your own brand. Looking out towards the future, do you see possibility or potential of development of more products? Is the line going to be expanding, or tell us a little bit about what you may be working on?
We're already expanding the line. We have buffing pads now that go with the rest of the system.
Yep.
We're going to have new products either through the end of this year or 2019.
Okay.
We hope to have more cleaners, more everything. We want to really expand the line, make sure that everything's covered under the Jescar brand.
Yep.
And want people to be happy. That's what it's all about, right?
Yeah, exactly. Well, another nice thing about their products is whether you're a professional or whether you're a do-it-yourself enthusiast at home working on it, it's a very high ease of use factor with all the products. And for us here in the shop, that's one of the most important things that we have is ease of use. Obviously, we're looking for performance, but we want it to be easy to use. We want it to be easy to train a lot of people. So with your products, whether we're selling to our former students or we're selling to do-it-yourselfers, we know that the product is going to be easy to work with. We don't have any kind of problems. So we definitely appreciate the amount of development energy that you guys put into it. And we really appreciate you guys being here, helping us out at the open house. There's a lot of people here, a lot of great cars outside. So hopefully you get the opportunity to speak to a lot of people about your products.
Absolutely.
Eric, thank you so much,
for
joining us. Jescar, watch out for them in the future. A lot of great products coming soon, whether for the professional or the do-it-yourselfer.